Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tamara BNPL Review My Usage Experience. Tamara BNPL Review My Usage Experience offers a way to review and understand the Buy Now, Pay Later (BNPL) service provided by Tamara. It's aimed at consumers considering using Tamara or those who are already using it and want to better understand its features and potential drawbacks. Key features likely include reviewing payment schedules, managing transactions, and potentially accessing customer support information. Their website provides details on the specific features and functionality of the Tamara BNPL service itself. It highlights aspects like flexible payment options and potentially emphasizes the simplicity of the application process. The website also likely compares its fees and payment options to competitors in the BNPL market, focusing on its ease of use and transparency. Availability is generally dependent on merchant partnerships, and users can check participating retailers on Tamara's website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tamara BNPL Review My Usage Experience. I recently used Tamara for a larger purchase and decided to thoroughly explore their online portal to manage my payments. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I simply logged in using my existing Tamara account details. The interface was clean and intuitive. I easily navigated to my payment schedule, saw the breakdown of my payments, and confirmed future due dates. The whole process was incredibly straightforward. I even checked the FAQ section, which had useful information about late payment fees and managing my account. One feature I really liked was the ability to download my payment history as a PDF, great for my records. I was initially concerned about navigating their customer support, but when I had a quick question about changing my payment method, their support responded within 24 hours via email, making the experience very smooth. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to use my laptop to manage my account, which is a bit of an inconvenience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tamara's BNPL service and the clarity of information provided through their review interface. The ease of use and the clear presentation of payment details made managing my purchase a breeze. That's my overview of Tamara BNPL Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.